purchased from Milwaukee, USA, come to Lagos, delivered to the Lagos State government, and today we have officially launched its convoy. Now, this is the Blue Line train station in Marina, and this train station will be serving communals trying to commute from Marina to Mile 2. Now, despite the entire totality of the conspiracy that was surrounded about the functionality of this particular train station, today we have officially launched. And by launch, I mean we are in action, because the governor, Sangotedo, just landed up from Mile 2 down to Marina, and he was indeed very excited. And I'm sure you watching this video are too. This beautiful innovation by the Lagos State government would serve communals, would serve a lot of people trying to commute from one place to another. Imagine Lagos feeling really small and flexible. Imagine you spending just 20 to 10 minutes on a journey you should have taken about 3 hours to get there. From Ikorodu, the red line will be flying from Ikorodu to Epe in just 15 minutes. On a regular day, you should spend over 3 hours. But trust me, this has come to stay. And by this, if you ask me and you're yet to invest in Lagos, in the Lekki axis of Lagos, you should do that right now, because communals will be going in and out of this location to do business. What this means is that footfalls that are already in 30,000 footfalls on record will be increasing to over 50,000 footfalls. Now, trust me, you do not want to skip on this one, because all the things you need to gain, you need to start getting it now, because every property on that axis will be increasing in no time. My name is Lekki, your real estate consultant here on Graygold REALTY. What we do isn't just real estate, it's also giving you the valued information that you need to making sure that your investment is secure and your investment is valued. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the ride with me, because we will be going on this plane from Marina to Mile 2. Enjoy it. This is, of course, the Blue Line train station here in Marina, Lagos. Come with me, guys. Before you board your train, you have to get on board this card. So this is the card that takes you on access to the train. Without this card, you may not be able to enter. Okay, you may be denied entry. But once you have the cowrie card, you have the right to be a passenger on board the Blue Line train. Okay, and the cost is about 350 naira. When it was newly introduced, it was 750 naira. But thanks to the Lagos State government, he gave a slash price. It is now 350 naira, and trust me, it is fairly affordable. Okay, I believe every Nigerian can hop on it and get to their destination in a shorter travel time. And this will also reduce traffic on the road. This will also reduce the high rate of accidents. Okay, and this will also increase the investment frame for a lot of locations. I am super excited, because I am here to witness the first and one of these train states that has this energized train. And I, of course, give my bragging rights. Okay, this is Lekki, of course, beautiful consultant here from Graygold REALTY. I will be going into the Blue Line coach right now from Marina to Mile 2. So stay tuned and follow my experience with me. I am super excited. In no time, the red line and the green line are going from Ikorodu to Epe. Okay, so imagine the rest of the way, you have a lot of people going in and out to Ikorodu to Epe. That means footfalls will increase. At this moment, it's about 30,000 footfalls on the Epe Express route. Imagine by this advent of bringing in these trains, it's going to be wow. The footfalls will be over 100,000. I mean, no disregard. This, of course, is the best innovation by Lagos State government. Enjoy the ride with me as we go from Marina to So, sir, you were on the train, right?
Sure.
What was the experience like?
It was a great one. I can't say much more than this. But I think Lagos has done something that will remain on the annal of history of this country for a very long time.
Wow, nice.
Yes.
How do you think it will encourage investors, people trying to invest in anything in Lagos?
Yes. I think at this stage, if anybody sits down think that there's opportunity in Lagos, I think they don't have to that anymore. They have taken us a way forward. They have shown the way, and I think other states can come in and take advantage of it.
Okay, I remember the slogan during the political campaign. It was Lagos Arise. So do you think Lagos is rising?
They are rising up. They are
Thank
going
you.
forward.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My experience was very smooth. The landing was very subtle. I really enjoyed it. And for commuters coming in from Mile 2 to Marina, it's going to be a smooth ride. You have nothing to worry about. Understand that it's a fully energized train. Okay, so the speed and the travel time will be really reduced, unlike maybe flying a BRT or a public bus. It's going to be a very subtle experience.
Mission 5,000 land and homeowners is visible only with you. I want to say thank you to those of you who have not even seen me before, who believe in the Graygold brand, and we would never take you for granted. I love you guys. Lagos is at its rising stage. You should rise with us. Your vision moves Lagos ahead. What is that investment vision you have? What is that investment dream you have? If you haven't started now, it is never too late. All you can do is to call the number on your screen. Let us help you make that right investment decision. Epe is the new Lagos. Epe is where you have the newly international airport in Lagos, the Lekki Epe Airport. Now we also have our train terminal that will be setting up there pretty soon, and that one will also be launched. It will be the red line that will be moving from Ikorodu to Epe. So what are you waiting for? Do not delay. The 4th mainland bridge has also commenced. Construction has started. If you're not investing in Lagos, what are you doing? To key into the prime locations in Lagos is to do it now, because now is the right time. My name is Lekki. Bringing you the best, most affordable real estate decision is what I know how to do best. So that whenever you're making that investment decision, you're making the right one. For those of you who believe in my brand, I say thank you, yet haven't seen me. For those of you who trusted us and still patronized from us, yet haven't even seen us or been to our office, I say thank you to you, and God bless you. Follow us on every social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Okay, follow us. We post on our Instagram daily. Be the first to see our videos on YouTube. Put our channel on notification. Put our channel on, of course, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also share to your loved ones. Comment down below. I want to see beautiful videos and beautiful content like this. Thank you for watching. You're welcome.